My name is Deborah Jogunade. Currently, I'm enrolled in Rome Business School as an international project management student. I'm a software tester at MTN. I would say the first part I was actually looking forward to is getting to network with my classmates. Let's put it that way. It's an online schooling, and you just hear each other's voices over the call. But getting to meet individuals and all of that is one part, and also getting to relate to the facilitators. It's actually been a wonderful, intensive week. I would rather say yes. So it's going well. It's going well. One of the reasons why I chose project management is because it's versatile, and I'm someone that I don't like to stay in. I find doing one thing for a long time kind of boring. So starting my career, I started in sales, even though I have an engineering background. But I started in sales, and now I'm a software tester. I still see myself transitioning into other roles. So I thought of something that I can fit in anywhere, either here in Nigeria or even outside of the country. And I think project management is the right call for someone who has this growing, let's say, work experience. If I had a younger sibling, you're definitely coming here for your master's. But yeah, it's very flexible for work, even if you're a working class or whatnot. Like, it's flexible. The lecturers are very open. You can reach out to them, one-on-one to have. It's a beautiful school that I would recommend to anybody, any day, at any time. And it's quite affordable too. Don't let your past stop you from moving to where you want to go to, and don't be stagnant. Keep learning. People try to be too comfortable wherever they are. Maybe they don't have that aspiration in them, but no matter what, no matter how little it is you want to learn, never stop learning, because you can never tell what door something you learned in the past, no matter how little, you can never tell what door is going to open for you next. So